Today I am going to present you a makeover video as I promised. I know this kind of videos are your favorite ones. But to deliver a makeover video, behind the scene there are so many things. Planning, designing, organizing, moreover the DIY part. All are working together. My purpose is to deliver you the best makeover in minimum budget. So sometimes it takes time. Hey everyone, I am Mimi and you are watching Interior Stories. If you are watching my video for the first time, then please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And today in this video I am going to present you a home office setup. Nowadays we are working from home. But don't you think that we should have a dedicated and organized place to give our best output? Within the family, in home environment, it's always not possible. That's why the offices are designed like that. The same kind of problem I have already faced, though I have a dedicated corner at my home, but it was fully disorganized and I used to sit with my laptop with somewhere else. Now I am showing you the mess I have created over here and my daily struggle. This video has few layers with the classy output and the budget is only 800 if you want to do it. I have spent only near about 150 rupees as the all related materials I already have from my previous projects. And one more thing, if you are skip this video, then definitely you are going to miss some tips and tricks I am sharing with this video. So let's jump to today's video. As you can see, this wall color is so soothing and in super condition. So I thought, let's not disturb the base color. But I need some professionalism, so I decided why not play with different shades of same base color. So here I am going to make a basic geometric pattern by centering my wall mount shelf. It's very easy, just like this. After find out the center of the object, you have to draw the circle, half circle, whatever it is. In this wall, I am going to paint a circle, a half circle and a rectangle to hide this monster. Now the budget saving trick. Here I have the basic white color and I have just purchased a stainer of brown shade and going to mix in various proportion with the white color and we'll get different shades of browns. As I always said everyone, that you can always repaint your old furniture, old wooden furniture, aluminium furniture, steel furniture, whatever it is. you can always paint it and give it a new look as you dressed daily as per the color scheme. Just like that, you also repaint your furniture just like your current color themes. So the painting part is complete, and I have put a white chart papers in the wall shelf racks to match my wall mounted shelf color, and this white color giving me the maximum light, and also the space is looking bigger. Now is the part to install the wall shelf. This wall shelf also a DIY product. I had few pieces of MDF board from my previous project. Without investing clamp, I just joined 2 pieces of plies and directly fixing it on wall. And this shelf is made with 3 pieces of MDF board, each in size of 1 feet only. The front panel I have fixed in the center so that I can fix a light. I have lots of paper rolls. All these are going into this jute rope basket. You already saw this basket in my previous video. Link is on the I button and the description also. All my stationery organized in this cardboard organizer. Now my woofer and sound boxes finally placed in a decent manner. I am going to put my printer and the printing materials. Oh, I can open a shop now. What you say? Here again some more paper rolls. Hanging a motivational quote here instead to fix it on wall. It will also make this place looking wider. To style this shelf, I am using 2 paper flowers and a small money plant. Plant is necessary, you know. To make this pin board or hang board, whatever you can call it, I just used a large embroidery hook and knotted the thread in lines and secured the knots with masking tape. And these wooden clips are from local shops. That's it. Hanging this with the same thread. Let me know if you find this idea easy and usable. Finally, my laptop, pen stand and a notebook on the desk. Adding a DIY coaster to save the desk from the food stain. That's all. Adding a basket here to keep my tripods and other stuffs currently I am using to make this video. In this video, I am showing you the ideas for you all, keeping in mind the desiredness of everyone in every age group. So, you can find some mature as well as some childish ideas in this video. Now, before and after. Wait. You have to watch this video till the end to see the magic. Each and every project has a DIY masterpiece. Here, this DIY light shelf is that Shutterbug. This light has 2 colors of lights fixed on it, which is creating the layers on wall. To design a place or makeover or recreate a place within a budget is the toughest thing, and I took this challenge to prove that interior designing nowadays is for all. You don't have to spend so many digits from your account to design your home, so that interior stories are built for. So if you like this video, then what you have to do, please like, share and comment. Obviously, subscribe my channel. We'll meet in our next video with another topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.